I use the Creaclip to cut my own hair, my daughter's hair, my son's hair. The whole family loves it. I love that I can use it on curly hair. And every time I cut my hair, someone asks me where I got it cut, and I tell them I use the Creaclip. And they get one too, and they love it also. Thanks, Mai, for saving us all this money and lots of time too.
Get the large curved Creaclip for long hair and layers, the 6-inch Creaclip perfect for short hair and bangs. Save hundreds of dollars a year for the entire family.